Hey there guys, I'm Salam. Once again, welcome to Hanalogs. This time I bring you some important and interesting health and food hacks. So please stay tuned and enjoy. With nice fluffy and non-sticky rice, try my rice cooking hack. Here I've just taken 1 cup of rice and I've thrown in some generous amount of water, casually throwing in some caraway seeds and then some cinnamon sticks, some cloves, some cardamom pods, and some greens. Then I'm putting in some salt and a few drops of oil. Now that our rice is nicely boiling with anger, we'll just calm it a little by straining out all the starchy water. Then I'm gonna add some saffron infused water for some beauty. And that's it, time for the hack. There, it's the water. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water to it so that the rice comes out hot, steamy and fluffy. So for demonstration purpose, I decided to make biryani rice, but this hack is gonna be applicable in the same way when you cook your plain rice. There. Beautifully cooked rice which is not over dried and is hot and steamy and fluffy. Enjoy! My next hack is about making healthier rotis. Also, I will share an extra tip on how you can make your dough making process less messy. So if you've noticed, I've added water first to my bowl before adding the flour. This is exactly the tip. When you add water first, the dough does not stick to the bottom. What do you think about that? So my hack for healthier rotis is to add black seeds or kalonji seeds to the dough. Now you can do this to your pizza dough, for any kind of dough that you're making at home. So you see, the dough doesn't stick. Now is the time to enjoy some healthy rotis. Wanna bite? My next hack shows you how easy it is to bring up the peel of your tomatoes. All you have to do is dip them in hot boiling water for about 20 to 30 seconds and that's it. The skin is just ready to be peeled off. As you can see, I've also put cross marks underneath with the knife. This makes it easier to take the skin off. So that's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Just like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Until we meet again, I hope you stay safe.